Ever wondered what makes EOS unique in the world of blockchain? Picture a digital ledger, ever-growing, continually updated, and accessible to everyone. That's what we call a blockchain. It's revolutionizing sectors from finance to healthcare. And EOS? Well, it's one of the front-runners in this tech revolution. With some pretty unique features, EOS is stirring up the blockchain space, standing tall among its peers. Now let's delve deeper into why EOS has quickly become a popular choice for developers and investors alike. When it comes to blockchain technology, there are several players in the field. So, what sets EOS apart? Let's take a moment to compare EOS with other popular blockchains like Ethereum and Bitcoin. These are the titans of the crypto world, but each has its unique strengths and weaknesses. A key point of differentiation is scalability. While Ethereum and Bitcoin have faced challenges in handling a high volume of transactions, EOS excels in this area, designed to support thousands of commercial-scale dApps without hitting a performance bottleneck. Another standout feature of EOS is its flexibility. Unlike Ethereum, which uses a rigid smart contract model, EOS allows for flexible contracts. This means that if a bug is found in an EOS contract, it can be paused, fixed, and then resumed, minimizing the potential for catastrophic losses. EOS's usability is another feather in its cap. It's built with user experience in mind, offering features like human-readable account names and easy recovery of stolen accounts, which are not common in other blockchains. But perhaps the most innovative feature of EOS is its consensus algorithm, delegated proof of stake, or DPoS. In contrast to Bitcoin's energy-consuming proof of work, or Ethereum's transition to proof of stake, DPoS allows for higher transaction speeds and greater efficiency, making EOS a more environmentally friendly and cost-effective option. As you can see, EOS brings a lot to the table. But what does this mean for you, whether you're a developer or an investor? So, we've talked about what makes EOS special, but let's summarize the key points. EOS is a game-changer in the blockchain sphere, offering scalability like no other. By employing parallel processing, it can execute a multitude of transactions simultaneously, a feat unattainable by many other blockchains. This scalability is a cornerstone feature of EOS, making it a preferred choice for developers. But EOS isn't just about scalability. It's also about flexibility and usability. It provides developers with the tools they need to rectify bugs and update their apps without disrupting the network. It's user-friendly too, eliminating the need for users to pay for every transaction. Furthermore, EOS holds immense potential in the development of decentralized applications, or DApps. It's not just about creating digital currencies. It's about revolutionizing industries. From finance to gaming, EOS stands to reshape the way we interact with technology. Remember, in the ever-evolving world of blockchain, EOS stands as a beacon of innovation and potential. Stay curious, stay informed, and who knows, maybe the next big thing in blockchain could be your idea, brought to life on the EOS platform.